solution. Fix Wuchang Fatal Error. 1. Force DirectX 11 or Vulkan mode. Go to Steam Library, right-click Wuchang, Properties, Launch Options, add either of these. You can see the code in our conversation history. Or you can see the code in our conversation history. Open quote, try both. Some systems are more stable on DX11 than DX12's UE5 default. Close quote. 2. Disable GPU overclocking. Revert any overclocking CPU-GPU via BIOS or software like MSI Afterburner. Open quote. UE5 games are sensitive to even stable overclocks. Close quote. 3. Update graphics drivers. Use clean install from NVIDIA. Please open your app to see this link. AMD. Please open your app to see this link. 4. Disable overlays, Discord, Xbox, GeForce Experience. Turn off overlays in Discord, Settings, Game Overlay, Xbox Game Bar, Windows Settings, NVIDIA GeForce Experience, Settings, In-Game Overlay. 5. Increase TDR Delay, stops GPU timeout. 1. Press Win-R, type, you can see the code in our conversation history. 2. Navigate to, you can see the code in our conversation history. 3. Right-click New, Dword 32-bit, name TDR Delay, value 10. 4. Restart your PC. 6. Verify game files. For Steam, Steam Library, Wuchang, Properties, Installed Files, Verify Integrity. For Xbox Game Pass, Xbox App, Wuchang, Manage Files, Verify, Repair. 7. Lower graphic settings in-game. If you can reach settings, set Ray Tracing off, DLSS FSR off, shadows post-processing low or medium, use borderless windowed mode. 8. Reinstall Visual C++ redistributables and DirectX. Download latest Visual C++ redistributables all in one. Please open your app to see this link. DirectX end user runtime. Please open your app to see this link. Additional tips. Run the game as administrator. Temporarily disable antivirus. Can block Unreal Engine. Move game installation to SSD if it's on a slow HDD. Let me know if you want. A YouTube short script.